Unit 5 Lesson 1 Discovering Habitats. Habitat. Home. Ocean. Wild. Desert. Forest. Lizard. Dolphin. Fox. Nature. Sandy. Fresh. Shady. Curious. Discovering. Special. Cool. Dry. Huge. Perfect. Shade. Reading text. Read the dialogue and act it out. Teacher. Good morning. Today we will talk about animals and their homes. What is a home for an animal? Murad. Is it where animals live? Teacher. Yes. A habitat is where animals live. Karma. Can you give us an example? Teacher. A forest has tall trees. Many animals live there. Murad. What does wild mean? Teacher. Wild means animals that live in nature and not owned by people. Murad. What about the ocean? Teacher. The ocean is big and salty. Karma. Lizards live in the desert. Teacher. Yes. Let's discover more about animals and their homes. Read the text. The world is full of amazing places where animals live. Each animal has a special home. Call the habitat that helps it survive. A hot, sandy place with little water is a desert. A cool, shady place with lots of trees is a forest. The big, blue ocean is a home for fish and dolphins. Phonics. Long O. Zoo. Moon. Food. Pool. Short O. Book. Foot. Cook. Hook. Wood. Look. Using adjectives for describing animals and their homes. A hot desert. The word hot describes the desert. A wild kangaroo. The word wild describes the kangaroo. The curious fox. Foxy the fox loved to explore. One day, He wandered out of his forest habitat. He saw a huge blue ocean. The salty water was so different from the fresh water in his forest. He saw a dry, sandy desert with no trees. Foxy realized that his own forest, with its cool shade and tall trees, was the perfect place for him. He learned that every animal has a special home. That is just right. Lesson 2. Describing animals. Fur, feathers, hoof, hooves, nest, paw, claws, tail, squirrel, funny, sharp, soft, bushy, cozy, jungle, branches, leaves, flies, coat, bear. Reading text. Read the text and answer the questions. Animals have different body parts that help them live. A furry bear has big paws and sharp claws. A bird has soft feathers and a long tail. The bird builds its nest high in a tree. A horse has hooves on its feet and a tail to push away flies. Their body parts help them stay safe in their habitats. The squirrel's home. Squeaky the squirrel was very busy. He had a furry coat and a long, bushy tail. He used his sharp claws to climb up the tall tree. High in the branches, he had a cozy nest of leaves. He gathered nuts to keep his family safe. He was so happy with his home. Lesson 3. Shelter. Survive. Crawl. Fly. Swim. Owl. Shaky. Ability. Cave. Alive. Worried. Storm. Reading text. Read the dialogue and act it out. No ha. Wow. Look at the bear. Where does it live? Maya. The bear lives in a cave. No ha. Oh, so the cave is its home? Maya. Yes. That's called a shelter. No ha. Shelter? What's that? Maya. A shelter is a safe place where animals stay. It keeps them warm and dry. No ha. I see. Why do animals need shelter? Maya. To survive. No ha. Survive? Maya. That means to stay alive. Animals need food, water, and shelter to survive. The helpful owl. A little owl was worried. The storm was coming, and its nest was in a shaky tree. An old owl told him, "You can fly, little one. You can find a better shelter." The little owl flew away. He found a big cave and stayed safe inside. His ability to fly saved him. Lesson 4. Nature. Protect. Share. Trash. Respect. Earth. Carefully. Broken. Helping hands. Reading text. We all share the earth with animals. It is our job to respect them and their homes. We must not throw trash in the forest or the ocean. We can help by cleaning up and making sure animals have a safe place to live. When we protect nature, we help animals survive. The helping hands. Lily and Baha went to the forest. They saw an old bird's nest on the ground. A little bird was crying. "Oh no, its home is broken," said Lily. Baha carefully put the nest back in a tree. They cleaned up the trash. They made the forest a cleaner place. The little bird was happy again.